Hi, my name is Maximilian and I work as a project manager in the team of industrialization and new product launch at Schaeffler. One important aspect of reducing the Schaeffler Group's CO2 emissions is our innovative circular economy strategy. A current example is the ReaServe project, which aims to give our electric motors the possibility of a second life of usage. In the ReaServe project, which is funded by the German Federal Ministry of Economic Affairs and Climate Action, a consortium consisting out of 6 partners of the research and industry sector, led by Schaeffler, is developing value retention strategies. The team is on the R strategies repair, refurbish, reuse, with a special attention on remanufacture. This includes a comprehensive remanufacturing process chain, along with an optimized electric motor prototype concerning circularity aspects, by also taking lifetime modeling of systems and components into account. With these R strategies, we effectively reduce the consumption of natural resources like rare earth elements, minimize the amount of waste, and make a significant contribution to an increased product circularity. Referring to the aftermarket sector, the repair of electric motors is currently a major challenge for workshops due to the system complexity and the technical requirements. Our mission at Schaeffler within the framework is to provide solutions for restoring electric motors to a comparable as new quality and functionality for our customers. As well as benefiting the environment, this option will spare vehicle owners the expense of having to buy new when swapping out faulty or damaged motors. Such sustainable business models for the aftermarket play an important role in the mobility transition and its ambition to make the transport sector more sustainable.